And the truth of the matter is that most of what we're talking about is not new. Perhaps it's the scale and accessibility. So if you take something that everybody thinks is new, and that's wearable digital devices, the fact is that regulators are used to dealing with this data for a long time.
Yeah.
Back in the 90s, early 90s, I was running studies using digital Holter monitors, digital blood pressure monitors, and regulators were approving drugs based on that data. So regulators have also become really aware that the cost and complexity of drug development is not sustainable. They want to be a positive factor in this. They're also aware of the revolution in the use of real-world data, data collected through the Internet of Things, and increasingly we see them when they're presenting at conferences where there's a presence by regulators. They're talking about trying to facilitate a collaborative environment with drug developers to make all of this possible. So regulators are not the barrier. What they do want to know is that the data that you're providing to them is robust and it's accurate, but they frequently say that the idea that drugs get approved based on randomized clinical trials is not correct. Drugs get approved on the basis of substantial evidence. And if you can do a real-world, a pragmatic study that the regulator believes is substantial evidence, they are looking for those kind of use cases to work with pharma on. So we need to work with regulators. They are willing partners, and they're certainly not the barrier.